Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate waffle cone cupcakes. Just going to be a delicious, fluffy, moist chocolate cupcake baked right inside of a crunchy waffle cone and topped with delicious chocolatey buttercream. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. And if you're new in my kitchen, don't forget to click subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. Like next week, I'm going to be trying the island cake trend. I hope you all are going to like it. I think so. We're going to do something cute, something nerdy, something easy. It's going to be a fun time. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put down my waffle cone cupcake. And let's go ahead, grab yourself a bowl, and we're going to start adding in our butter and our white granulated sugar. Then we're going to go in on a medium-high speed and begin to mix our butter and our sugar together until they start incorporating and they're both light and fluffy. I like to mix mine for a good 2.5 minutes. Once both your butter and your white sugar are nice and fluffy, you can go ahead and start adding in your eggs, and your vanilla. Now you just want to continue to beat your mixture at a medium speed for another good minute. Once those are nice and combined, go ahead, scoot those over to the side a little bit, grab yourself another mixing bowl for your dry ingredients, and start adding in your flour, your cocoa powder, your baking soda, and your salt. Then we're just going to give those a quick little whisk. So we have our butter mixture, we have our dry mixture, now it's time to put them all together. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start slowly adding in our dry ingredients to the butter mixture while alternating with some fresh brewed coffee. Then with our hand mixer on the lowest possible speed setting, we're going to mix our ingredients together until they are nice and creamy. You shouldn't need to mix longer than a good minute at most, but with that said, be sure not to overmix your cupcake batter. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have delicious chocolate cupcake batter. All we have left to do now is to add these to our piping bags, and we're going to begin to pour our cupcake batter into our waffle cones. And to prevent any leakage, I do like to add a tiny little mini marshmallow at the bottom of each waffle cone. This way, when they bake, none of the batter seeps out. As for how much cupcake batter we're going to try to use about a 1/4 cup, depending on the size of your waffle cones. And of course, in case there is any spillage of our batter from our waffle cones as we're baking in the oven, we are going to keep our waffle cone tray on top of a cookie sheet. This way, we don't have any mess in the oven to clean up once we're done baking. After your waffle cones are all filled up with your delicious cupcake batter, you want to go ahead, pop them in the oven, and let bake for a good 20 to 22 minutes, or until your cake tester or toothpick come out clean. So our waffle cone chocolate cupcakes have baked, they've cooled. As you can see, there was some spillage in about 3 of the cones, but that's alright, they're going to be just as delicious anyway. Well, not those ones we'll throw away, but the other ones, they turned out great. All we have left to do now is to top with some delicious, smooth chocolate buttercream. And you can stack your buttercream as high as you want to. And if you're feeling frisky, you can top with some Reese Pieces, some strawberries, some hot fudge, some chocolate sprinkles or some rainbow sprinkles, whatever you want to top your delicious waffle cone chocolate cupcakes, you go ahead and do that because I'm sure they're going to look and be even more delicious. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you how to make waffle cone chocolate cupcakes baked right into the waffle cone. If you're a fan of chocolate cupcakes or you're a fan of baking inside of waffle cones or ice cream cones and you want even more fun summertime or birthday party ideas for cupcakes, definitely give this video a like. Helps me out, lets me know baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more tasty, yummy, delicious, oh so good recipes, don't forget to click subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss out on any more tasty new videos. Like next week's island cake, I'm so excited for it. Definitely let me know what kind of island ideas you have in the comments below because I've got a few, some nerdy, some fun. We'll see how it works out next week. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixer to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below with the link. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, if you make your own delicious ice cream cone cupcakes, last week we made them right inside wafer cones with some vanilla cupcakes, vanilla buttercream. This week we're making chocolate waffle cone cupcakes. If you make your own, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna grab a waffle cone chocolate cupcake, maybe two. Enjoy the day, have a cup of coffee. I hope you all are having a fantastic week. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.